I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning.
Explain the formation of stationary waves in an air column enclosed in a closed pipe. Derive the equations for the frequencies of the harmonics produced. Harmonics. The frequencies which are integral multiples of fundamental frequency are known as harmonics. Overtones. The frequencies higher than the fundamental frequency are known as overtones. Organ pipe. An organ pipe is a cylindrical tube having an air column closed pipe. If one end of the organ pipe is open and the other end is closed, it is known as a closed pipe. This is a typical closed pipe, closed at one end, open at the other end. When a sound wave is sent through the pipe, this is the incident sound wave, the wave gets reflected at the ends of the closed pipe. This is the reflected wave. These two waves form longitudinal stationary waves. This is a node and this point is antinode. At the open end, always antinode is formed. Look at these points. These are the nodes. There may be no nodes or sometimes few nodes in between the closed tube. Harmonics in closed pipes. First harmonic or fundamental frequency, symbol N1. Least number of nodes and antinodes possible is called the first harmonic or fundamental mode. Here, an antinode at open end and a node at closed end and no nodes in between are formed. So this is the formation of stationary wave with least number of nodes and antinodes. An antinode at open end, a node at the closed end, length of the tube is L. Here L is equal to lambda 1 by 4. So half of the loop equal to lambda by 4, as it is case 1, fundamental case, we are using the wavelength as lambda 1. L equal to lambda 1 by 4 or lambda 1 is equal to 4L. Let V equal to velocity of sound, then V is equal to N1 lambda 1. Then N1 is equal to V by lambda 1. Substituting the value of lambda 1, we get N1 is equal to V by 4L. Let it be equation number 1. third harmonic or first overtone, symbol N3. It will have two nodes and two antinodes. So this is the closed tube, always antinode at open end, node at closed end, and one node in between these two. So node, antinode, and length of the tube is L. Here L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 4. So 1.5 loop is equal to 3 times of lambda by 4. So as it is a third harmonic, we are using the symbol lambda 3. Therefore L is equal to 3 lambda 3 by 4, or lambda 3 is equal to 4L by 3. Frequency N3 is equal to V by lambda 3. That is equal to V by 4L by 3. In place of lambda 3, substitute the value 4L by 3. Then this 3 can be taken to the numerator. That is equal to 3V by 4L. But V by 4L is equal to N1. Therefore, we can write N3 is equal to 3N1. Let it be equation number 2. Now, fifth harmonic or second overtone, symbol N5. It will have 3 nodes and 3 antinodes. So length of the tube is L. Always node at the closed end, antinode at the open end. So altogether there are 3 nodes and 3 antinodes. So total here we have 2.5 loop. Half loop equal to lambda by 4. Therefore here we can write L is equal to 5 lambda 5 by 4, or lambda 5 equal to 4L by 5. Frequency N5 is equal to V by lambda 5, that is equal to V by 4L by 5. This 5 can be taken to the numerator. Therefore, N5 is equal to 5V by 4L. In place of V by 4L, you can substitute N1. Therefore, N5 is equal to 5N1. Let it be equation number 3. The frequencies of the higher harmonics can also be derived in the same way. It can be observed that in the case of an organ pipe closed at one end, only odd harmonics can be formed. From equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, we can write N1 is to, N3 is to, N5 is to, and so on is equal to 1 is to, 3 is to, 5 is to, and so on.